Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Kukai, Japan. Today, I will introduce you to the world where you don't need meeting minutes anymore using NotebookLM. Naoto, are you using NotebookLM?
Yes, normally I used to study. I upload many videos related to the topic I want to study and I make questions on it.
Oh, you do? Actually, this is very useful for other works as well. So today, I will talk about the evolution of NotebookLM and the interactive mode.
Nice.
Okay, let's get started. First, access the NotebookLM homepage. From here, click New Chat and upload the document for your meeting record. For example, I will put in a talk script created in Japanese. Until now, when you ask a question via chat about an uploaded document, the AI would answer based on its content. What I will introduce today is a newly added audio overview feature. In addition to that,
What is that?
Naoto, using audio overview, you can review and check the document content in a conversational format.
So you mean I can ask questions using voice?
Yes, you think so, right? It's totally different. Let me show you. First, select output language from the settings in the top right. More than 50 languages are supported. You can choose English, Hindi, and so on. This time, I will select English and save. When you click Generate Audio Overview in the state, the Japanese document you uploaded will be converted to English, and it will explain the content in audio. When you listen, it plays the content like a narration.
It's a transcript from a sales coaching session. One of you actually sent this in. It shows a conversation between an experienced manager, Yamamoto, and a junior salesperson, Sato.
Okay, yeah, I saw this. And the scenario.
Whoa, that's new. Is that the AI explaining about the content?
Yes, wait, Naruto. It's not only that. What is great about NotebookLM is the interactive mode, where you can ask questions in a conversational format.
So what happens if I do that?
Okay, for example, what is the next action of this meeting? When you ask this question, it automatically figures out.
What?
Yep, go on.
What is the next action of this meeting?
Okay, let's unpack this. You're asking about the meeting in the transcript, right?
What's fascinating here is you're looking at the structure.
So what does this all mean? Well, in the transcript,
If we connect this to the bigger picture, the manager asks a great follow-up.
here's where it gets really interesting. He suggests this.
It's amazing, right? You no longer need to send meeting minutes as text and pick up decided matters like before. You can now confirm these things through conversation. How much was the estimate amount? Are there any points that were not explained?
Incredible. It feels like I can easily catch up, even I miss the meeting.
Yes. NotebookLM, you can share content with members in the same domain. Note that this feature is only available to paid Google Workspace users, and sharing outside your organization is restricted. This built-in imitation also ensures a high level of security.
Nishi, tell me more what kind of occasions I can use it.
Okay, for example, you can organize documents for each client, like X company meeting record. Upload the content recorded and transcribed by Gemini to NotebookLM. Then, by having a conversation in interactive mode, you can confirm and record actions.
Welcome to the deep dive. We've got a really interesting set of materials you shared with us for today's.
By using this method, you don't need to type text, and you can archive next generation meeting management. By the way, as of May 2025, Google Meet also has an automatic meeting minutes function. When you start a meeting and select Take Notes from the top right, Gemini automatically starts transcribing. If you start recording at the same time, you can just throw the content into NotebookLM later to use it. Add Gemini's notes and meeting minutes to NotebookLM, then organize, share, and interact with the content. This is the most efficient way of working that we recommend right now. In short, in the new era, meeting notes are made automatically. You can ask questions like in a conversation. Sharing is safe inside your team. This flow will become mainstream. NotebookLM, you can access needed information through conversation, even without typing a single character of text. That era has already begun. Please try using this new experience. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye, Naruto. Bye bye.
Bye bye.